In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a guest with voice only in Discord. If you want someone to join a voice conversation without giving them full access to your Discord server, Discord's voice-only guest invite feature makes that possible. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a guest invite that lets someone participate in a voice channel without becoming a full member of your server. It's a great option for interviews, meetings, support sessions, or any situation where you only need someone to join a call temporarily. To get started, open Discord and navigate to the server that contains the voice channel you want to use. Select the specific voice channel where you'd like your guest to join. It's a good idea to join the voice channel yourself first, so you can verify that everything is working properly and monitor the call as your guest connects. Once you're in the correct voice channel, look for the Invite to Voice option near the top of the channel or beside the member list. Click it to open the invitation window. If you don't see this option, make sure you have the necessary permissions to create invite links for that channel. After the invitation panel opens, select Edit Invite Link. By default, invite links usually provide standard server access, but editing the invite allows you to customize how it works. This is where you'll configure the link specifically for a guest experience. Next, turn on the Invite a Guest option. Enabling this setting creates a voice-only invitation, allowing your guest to join the conversation without becoming a permanent member of your server or browsing your other text and voice channels. This helps keep your server private while still making it easy for someone to participate in the call. Once you've enabled the guest option, select Generate a New Link. This creates a fresh invite that includes your updated guest settings. Depending on your server's configuration, the invite may also include expiration times or usage limits to provide additional security. When the new link is ready, click Copy. You can now send the invite using your preferred messaging platform. Before your guest joins, it's helpful to remind them to allow microphone permissions if prompted. If they're using Discord for the first time, encouraging them to test their microphone beforehand can help prevent delays once the conversation begins. If the person you want to invite is already a member of your server, you can simply invite them directly from the server's member list instead. The guest invite is designed specifically for people who aren't already part of your community. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a voice-only guest invite, making it easy for someone to join your conversation while keeping the rest of your Discord server secure and private. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,